Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on your Infinix in your Tecno 6 Neo. Start off opening Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings, where we have our password manager selection, and there we can manage our password to our smartphone remember, maybe to our Facebook account. Tap there, enter a look screen to get connected to this password, and after we press this first icon we can copy our email and copy our passwords, or after we press this size icon our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also share this to someone using this function, or edit what we have written there by tap on edit, and now we can edit someone in our username passwords. But remember, when you change something, tap on save. The last function is delete password which our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.